Benita Gale Ward was gifted to the union of her late parents, Ruth Mae Mardis and Clifton Eugene Ward, on July 31, 1960, in the city of Jackson, Mississippi. She relocated to Hammond, Indiana at an early age with her family. Benita attended the Hammond Public School System, becoming an alumni of Hammond High School's graduating class of 1978. Benita's Southern heritage helped her evolve into an exceptional cook specializing in soul food and a number of other cuisines. Some of her best meals were chicken and rice soup, spaghetti, baked macaroni and cheese, and her special dressing, which made your mouth just water for more. She was also a jazzy dresser. If it was blue, she loved it. Benita was so self-conscious with her style of dress until she would often design and sew her own outfits. She would then fine-tune her appearance with well-manicured matching fingernails. She would often be found topping that off with her fur coats that she loved to wear. Once Benita married Alan Taylor and began her own family, her love was redirected to ensure that her children knew and had a personal relationship with Jehovah. Even after becoming ill, Benita never lost her faith and continued witnessing on Jehovah's behalf. With her unwavering strong faith, together with her loving children and grandchildren, life kept her smiling and laughing. Before her grandchildren would leave her, she would routinely squeeze their cheeks and kiss them 10 times as they exchanged their priceless goodbyes. Benita was preceded in death by her son, Daniel Jamar Davis, together with her grandmother, Christine Cavett, Aunt Hattie Mae Cruz, and her uncle, Earl Lee Gray. Benita humbly succumbed to the call of Jehovah on the 15th day of February 2023, leaving a void in the hearts of her daughter, Brittany Simone May Lynn Taylor, sons Timothy Ward, Tyrese D. Taylor, and Brandon Ramon Taylor, together with an abundant number of grandchildren. Her two sisters, Deborah Lynn Ward Spence, Cassandra D. Mardis, and her one brother, Darnell Mardis, as well as her stepfather, Robert Mardis Sr., will also forever hold her legacy in their hearts. Many nieces, cousins, family, and friends will forever remember Benita's angelic love.
That's a sexy girl right there.
Say hey, Snapchat.
Hey, Snapchat.